you are a new user on Bybit, abeg come on, because you have a chance, you stand a chance of getting lots of rewards for yourself. Now this is the Bybit rewards hub page, and you will see join Bybit to claim 5,100 USDT in rewards and enjoy 555% annual percentage returns on savings. And you can see where it's written what claim $100. Now, I did not say that immediately you sign up on Bybit, you will just start getting these rewards. No, there are things to be done. There are tasks to be completed, and then you will be qualified or stand a chance of getting part of these rewards. Okay, now let's go back to it. Now the first step is what? Sign up, complete verification, and receive USDT coupons. The second thing is what? Deposit $100 and trade $10 to earn airdrops. And then complete, the third one, complete simple trading tasks and earn rewards up to what? $5,100. And you can see right here, start earning. Now to access this link, kindly use the link in my video description, okay, and sign up and take action. I'm still going to show you practically in this video how to complete most of these steps, okay, especially for the newbies. Now, as an old user of Bybit who already has an account, I know you may be wondering and asking yourself,
how about us that already have an account on Bybit? What are we now going to gain?
Bybit has introduced and integrated a feature known as TradeFi in her app and website, which you can access by clicking on trade and then locating TradeFi at the top right corner right there. Okay, and right in there you will see an opportunity for you to trade a lot of things like metals, gold, silver, etc. Okay, you can as well trade indices right there. You can trade stock and of course Forex, okay, and also commodities, all inside the Bybit app. Now, what does this mean? It simply means that Bybit is no longer a platform where you only buy, sell, or hold your crypto. It has expanded way beyond that, way beyond just the P2P that you know before. And right now, you don't have to shuffle broker to broker, sending crypto from your Bybit to a broker to trade. You can do that right inside your Bybit. Trade your crypto, your Forex, and all the aforementioned pairs, commodities, indices, and other things that I mentioned right inside your Bybit app. Okay, so if you click on the first link in my video description and in the pinned comment, you are going to be brought to this page, okay? And the first thing you're going to do is what? You accept the cookies, okay? And then it's a simple process. Put in your email and your password, okay? And leave the referral code like this. Or you can as well download Bybit from Play Store, App Store, and use my referral code. Okay, make sure these terms are selected and then click on what? Get my welcome gifts. And next, you will be brought to this page. And right now, you can see that it says what? Get verified. Verify your account to unlock full platform access. And if you scroll down, you are going to see what? My rewards. So these are all the rewards that I just talked about. You can see 10% USDT airdrop, 300 USDT airdrop, 1000 USDT worth of positions, okay, airdrop positions. It's not that you can withdraw this particular one, no, but it gives you what? Airdrop position, which you can use to also trade, okay. 300% what? Annual percentage return booster, okay. So what you're just going to do right now is what? Click on what? Get verified now, okay. So select your country of issue, okay, in Nigeria, and then whether BVN or NIN, anyone is fine. So you click on continue, and then you just put in your BVN. And once you put in your BVN, click on continue, it's going to what? It's going to ask you for a liveliness check. And once you're done with that, you are done with the first level KYC. So after completing the sign up and verification, what you're going to do right now is to come to this place and click on your profile, okay? And right here on your profile, you are going to see what? Deposit now, okay? Yeah, and also you're going to see your rewards. I'm going to come back to this. This is where you're going to see and claim all your rewards from. But before then, please click on this place and turn on your two-factor authentication. Very important. You can see that my security level is high. Okay, so complete your verification, save your UID very well, and then click on this security, which from here you can turn on your two-factor authentication. Okay, email, you can see my two-factor authentication is on, so do that. Okay, once you've done that, it is now time to deposit. Okay, and for you to deposit, you can just click on deposit now right here, or you can just come here on your Bybit account, click on deposit, and you click on what deposit crypto, and then select what USDT, select the network, maybe BSC, BP20, Ethereum, Tron. Just be very careful and make sure that anyone you select is the one that the sender is also going to select while sending. Okay, you can see your wallet address right here. So just copy it and send at least 100 USDT into your account. And then once you've done that and it has entered, come back to your profile and then you click on what rewards, check now. Okay, and then from here you are going to see what tax. Look at it, limited offer, or you can still see tax here. Click on it and you can see all the rewards that you're qualified to get. So I think I'm qualified for this guy for 10 USD, so I click on what accept. Okay, so right now it's time for us to place a live trade. Now, straight and direct to the point, I go to trade right here, and of course, I locate TradeFi. Now, for the records, I'm not trying to place this trade to win or lose. I'm trying to show you how to use TradeFi for placing your trades. Okay, trading is risky and you should only trade with funds that you can afford to lose or play with. Okay, yeah. So right here, you locate what you want to trade. Okay, whether you want to trade Forex or you want to trade stock or you want to trade metals like gold, whatever. But if it is your first time of using TradeFi, you are going to be prompted to create a TradeFi account, which usually happens when you try to click on buy or sell. But I already have a TradeFi account, so the next thing I'm going to do is to transfer money into my TradeFi account. So I click on transfer. So I'm going to transfer just $60, okay, $60 to my TradeFi account. So I mark good and I confirm. Now the money you transfer into your TradeFi account is separated from your main account, okay. Okay, I've transferred $60 to my TradeFi, and if you check right now, I have it right here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to locate what I'm going to trade. And for example, let's say I want to trade GBP USD. I can search for it right here, GBP USD, okay, and then I click on it. And now looking at GBP USD, you can see that it is currently bullish, okay, yeah, currently forming higher highs and higher lows, okay. So I might decide to buy, okay, and I click on what buy, okay, and under buy you select what market order if you want it to execute instantly. But if you want to set a limit order, you click on trigger where you put in the price that if it gets to, it will trigger, okay, or it will start reading. So market order, and then very important, you put in your lot size, okay, and I'll use the smallest lot size, which is 0.01. Okay, and then select what your take profit and stop loss. Very important. Now, instead of typing the values right here, you can come and tell it, I want to, if I lose a maximum of $10, please take me out of the market. And if I make $30, give me my profits and I'm done. Okay, you can see everything set. I just click on what buy. And you can see instantly it has executed. Okay, it has executed, the buy has executed. And if I scroll right down here, you can see the current results. Okay, yeah. Now let us go and set a limit order. Okay, limit order. So if you want to set a limit order, what you're just going to do is what? Also go and select the pair that you wish to trade. Okay, so let us go back. For the limit order, let us go to metals. Let me set a limit order on silver. So I come to silver right here. Now, I've already marked this out on my laptop and made the analysis. And I usually drop this analysis on my Telegram channel. So do well to join there. So I want to set a buy limit order, okay, on SAG USD. So I copy my entry price. So I head back right here and I click on buy. And I click on trigger. Okay, so I paste the price that I wanted to trigger. Okay, now the quantity, which is the lot size 0.01, the smallest lot size, and I select my stop loss and take profit and also put in the values. Now I can also decide, just like I did it the other time, I can either put the value right here or put the amount. Okay, this you can see with this value I'm putting here, I will lose a maximum of $50. And if I want to gain, I usually go for 1:3. So I type 150 there. And if you check right here, you see that this take profit is exactly what I have right here. Okay, you can see because I usually use 1:3. So I click on what buy. Now I've set a buy limit order. Okay, Yeah, if you come right here, orders, you will see. And anytime you feel like closing your position, it is not hard. Just come here and click on close buy. Okay, and it's going to ask you, do you want to close 10% of it, 15%, 50% of it, or 100% of it? Just click on what, confirm if you do that. You will see the results that will happen exactly when you want to close it. Okay, right now you can see that this particular trade is in a profit of 9 cents. Okay, we are going to 15 cents, 17 cents right now. Okay, so you can see how it works. So it's pretty simple. And for this one, whenever it triggers, it's going to come under positions. Now, I must categorically state that trading is risky. An asset may diminish or may be lost totally if you don't know what you're doing. So to reduce your chances and also manage your risk properly, you can join my Telegram channel where I'll be dropping trade signals and also the specific values for you to use for your stop loss and take profit. The link will be in my video description. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I really appreciate you. Do not waste time. Join Bybit right now. The link will be in my video description and in the pinned comment. And if you have any questions, kindly let me know in the comments and I will be sure to respond to as much as possible. Thank you once again for watching. And with that being said, I will see you, my friends, in my next video. Bye for now.